Hello, my dear friends. Shurma here. A very warm welcome to you, and I'm so glad you chose to drop by my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you how to create a one-stroke floral tribute on August the 15th. The materials needed for today's project are all listed over here. So, let's get started. I have a white watercolor paper which is 5.5 inches by 4 inches in size, and I have created a shape on the paper across which I have dropped liquid watercolor green and orange. This forms the background for today's floral painting. Here is the palette for the floral part of the painting. I have acrylic orange, yellow, Indian red and acrylic white, and a flat brush number 6 which I'm loading with orange, yellow as well as Indian red, and a tinge of white is added to the mix, and this is called multi-loading of the brush, and the technique of painting the floral is known as one-stroke painting. Before I go on to create the florals, I pick up my flat brush number 4 and I have acrylic Indian red on it, and I'm creating a very loose form of a big rose. Thereafter, I pick up my flat brush number 6 and I load it with orange, yellow and Indian red acrylic colors. So here is the rose in the making. In today's creation, I am having the image of an Indian flag in the background, and I'm still to make the chakra, and that will come a bit later, and I'm trying to create a floral bunch as if laid on it. Let me tell you a little story about this creation. My country, India, has had an extremely glorious past, as we all know, and its present is vibrant. But its past has been dotted with various violent invasions, and it took several sacrifices from its countrymen, leaders, and warriors to free it from the shackles of the invaders. We Indians could finally breathe free again on August the 15th, 1947. My school friend and classmate, Dr. Neerja Srivastava, a wonderful human being with an extraordinary flair for writing, has penned this amazing poem as a tribute to the nation. It is in our national language, that is Hindi, and I quote, किसी गजरे की खुशबू को महकता छोड़ आया हूँ, मेरी नन्ही सी चिड़िया को चहकता छोड़ आया हूँ, मुझे छाती से अपनी तू लगा ले ए भारत माँ, मैं अपनी माँ की बाहों को तरसता छोड़ आया हूँ. केसरी रंग में लिपटे शहीदों का मान, श्वेत के पाकीज़ा होने का शान, हरित में जिंदगी होने का सम्मान, 3 रंगों में रंगा अमन का फरमान, इन गुलाबों को शहादत पर मर मिटने का अरमान, इस चित्रकार की चित्रकारिता को सलाम. हाँ, और ये रहे मेरी प्यारी सहेली नीरजा की कुछ पंक्ति देश के नाम. Let me share the meaning of this poem. So here the spirit of a martyred soldier is speaking, and he says, Dear motherland, as I lay my life protecting your honor, please take me in your arms as I leave behind a tearful wife, an orphan child, and grieving parents. But the pride of a martyr, wrapped in the Indian tricolour of honourable saffron, peaceful white, and vibrant green, is unimaginable. It also sends out the message that let not the sacrifice go in vain. Stop the war and let peace prevail. The beauteous creation of the rose floral bunch laid on the flag is as if taking a bow in tribute to the sacrifice of these brave hearts. This is so amazing, Neerja, and very, very touching. Thank you so much for sharing your beautiful creation with the world. So, courage in the face of adversity, peace at home and heart, truth to guide and show the way, prosperity for a happier tomorrow. As India celebrates her Independence Day, I feel proud to celebrate the glory of India with you. Once again, a very happy Indian Independence Day to you all. On that happy note, I come back to the rose floral painting. Here I am trying to create the highlights on the edges of the petals, and I am using a liner brush for the same and lots of acrylic white. Here I am trying to create the frills on the belly. Here I'm trying to adjust the belly with the help of a flat brush number 6, and it is already loaded with yellow, Indian red and orange. And of course I've added white to the mix to create the highlights. These are the outer petals, and there is loads of yellow along with orange and Indian red as well as white acrylic. You might have noticed that I go back and forth, one petal to the other, and that is very easy because acrylic colors are very forgiving. If I'm not satisfied with a certain section, I go back, fix it, and then go ahead with the rest of the painting. I've picked up more of white to add more highlights to the petals. Here I have picked up more of acrylic yellow. I wanted to make the frills a little more mellow because they were looking stark white. So now the rose floral has a yellow tinge to it. Once I was happy with the floral part of the painting, I went ahead and picked up the palette for the foliage. So I have dark green, bamboo green, yellow ochre and white acrylic, and a flat brush number 6 which I am loading with all the 4 colors. That is again multi-loading of the brush. And I'm blending the colors well for great results. So here I'm using a scratch paper to save the floral part, and I'm trying to paint the one stroke large leaves. Now, if you are new to one stroke style of painting, or you would like to refresh your leaf skills or floral skills, then I would encourage you to please visit my past videos. And I'm sure you'll find them very helpful, and I'll drop some of the links in the description box below. So here there's not much of space to make a whole lot of leaves, so I go ahead and pick up my flat brush number 6, load it with Indian red, yellow, orange and white, and start creating the buds. Before that, I also went ahead and added the chakra in blue. Some more buds here. Now I go ahead and pick up my liner brush and deep green acrylic on it and create the stems. Here is a flat brush number 6 again, and I have loaded it with deep green, bamboo and a bit of white to create those little leaves around the buds. Once the painted panel was ready, I went ahead and mounted it on a white note card. Hope you had fun watching me create the floral bunch on Indian Independence Day. Do let me know in the comment box below. I would be very happy to read your thoughts. Also, please click on the suggested videos at the end of this particular one, and it will lead you to more interesting floral painting video tutorials. Do connect with me on my social media handles, and it would be a great pleasure to be in touch with you. Thank you so much for being with me till the end, and I would be back very soon with more interesting floral video tutorials. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.